Everyone, welcome back. And as already mentioned, we are going to look at how Ladybug works and how to use Ladybug to solve analysis. Actually, you can do much more with it, like build and other stuff. So we are going to use just Sun. For that, you need a Ladybug plugin, and if you go to there is plenty of components and stuff. So I'm going to start by importing this this thing. This will take Boolean as an input. So we will do this Boolean toggle. And I'm going to plug into this. And if you double click on this, it will turn true and it will open a browser. So what we have here is a map, a Ladybug map, which will give you locations. Copy. Now I'm going to import, download whether we want whether, right? So now we have copied the URL. I'm going to just go with double slash and paste this. It will create a panel. Paste the link and so you can import the EPW file. So now you have all this information from this, whatever the link you copied. Analyze. You can use this incidence radiation. And before this, I also want another thing. Yeah, sun path here. Yes. For the sun path, we just need the location and few other inputs as well. Zoom out. You can see the scale of this is too big. So what I'm going to do, you can see the different inputs. So I'm going with scale, and since that is too big, I'll go with 0.00, sorry, 0002. I'm going to plug in this to the scale. Let's see how much. It is too small though. Increase the value. Yeah, this seems to be good enough. And also it takes center point, and different values will go to that later. But for the center point, I'm going to create a point in Rhino, and I'm going to place it somewhere here, and I'm going to create a point in Grasshopper. We will refer this point to the one point we have created. So we'll just leave it. The position is good enough, good for now, or maybe you can just move it a bit if you want. Now this period, and I'm going to grab this voice into the voice. I'm going to create a slider from 1, then 12. I think at 1 o'clock you will not have any sun, so this sky matrix is like there's one more component called I will just import the sky matrix here, but this also takes few inputs and location. We already have it here, location. So if you put direct radiation, yeah, you can see direct radiation and diffuse radiation. And for we need to import geometry, context, grid size. If you hover it, you can see that it takes bulbs or meshes. You can also just input the geometry. Like the geometry here will be our final planes, right? These surfaces. I will just plug in those, or I can just create a bulb. just I will plug in this and the surfaces to the bulb. Just use the surface which we have here. When you just do this and put it there. Just put it, and finally we need to create the run. For that we need boolean toggle again. Turn on true. So since our font is text is very small, I'm going to increase the text height to 2. I'm going to change the segment height and width. So actually, since we are using the sun point, this point as vector, what we can do is, you can see from here, we have sun points from this LV sun path. So what we could do is, I could use this as input. Use that as input for the vector. So I'm going to plug this into the vector. So now you can see the planes are following this particular point. If I change the hour and I can change the month as well, you see you see that they're moving along with the sun. I could actually turn off this vector. Now if you change the month, it orients with that direction. If you change the hour, it changes along with that. So you could actually play with this, and maybe what I could do is I'll move this a bit. Yeah, yeah. Again, it's up to you. Whatever you want to do on your particular personal project. So this is how we do it. You can dive deeper into this analysis part using Ladybug and do much more with it. But for this project, we are going to end it here, and I hope this helps. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next project.